Imagine earning extra cash while studying without sacrificing your grades or social life. In 2025, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle that works for you. Stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing the top 7 side hustles perfect for students that can help you build skills, gain independence, and make money. Let's dive in. Welcome to the video. Whether you're trying to pay off your student loans, save up for your next adventure, or simply want some extra cash for fun, side hustles are the way to go. But not all side hustles are created equal, especially for students. You need something flexible, profitable, and maybe even enjoyable. Today, I've got the ultimate list of the 7 best side hustles for students in 2025. Let's get started with number 1. 1. Freelance writing or editing. Do you have a knack for words? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn are filled with opportunities for freelance writers and editors. As a student, you can offer services like blog writing, essay editing, or even resume building. The best part, you can work from anywhere, and all you need is your laptop and internet connection. Start by building a portfolio with a few sample pieces, and watch the projects roll in. 2. Tutoring or teaching online. Are you great at math, science, or even languages? Use your knowledge to help others by becoming an online tutor. Platforms like Preply, Wyzant, and Chegg make it simple to find students. With flexible hours and competitive pay, this is a great way to earn while reinforcing your own understanding of the subject. Plus, teaching looks great on your resume. 3. Social media management. If you're always scrolling on TikTok or Instagram, why not get paid for it? Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help managing their social media accounts. You can create posts, schedule content, and even help grow their audience. Start by offering your services to local businesses or family friends, and build your portfolio from there. 4. Selling digital products. Are you creative or good at design? Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad allow you to sell digital products like planners, study guides, templates, or art prints. You create it once, and it sells over and over. This is a fantastic passive income stream for students who want to put in the work upfront and earn continuously. 5. Delivery services. Got a bike or car? Join services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart to make money delivering food or groceries. These gigs are flexible and let you choose when you work. Perfect for weekends or evenings when you're not studying. 6. Content creation. Yes, becoming a YouTuber, TikToker, or Instagram influencer is a real side hustle. If you're passionate about a topic, whether it's gaming, cooking, or study tips, start creating content around it. While it takes time to grow, the potential to earn from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise can make this effort worthwhile. 7. Virtual assistant. Many busy professionals need help with tasks like scheduling, email management, or data entry. As a virtual assistant, you can earn good money while working remotely. Websites like Zirtual or Boldly are great places to find opportunities. Plus, you'll develop organizational skills that will benefit you for years to come. And there you have it, the 7 best side hustles for students in 2025. Whether you're looking for something creative, academic, or service-oriented, there's a hustle here for everyone. The key is to choose one that fits your skills and schedule, then take action. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see the rewards before you know it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who might need a little side hustle inspiration. Comment below which one you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.